BBC age ratings. Children's content should be set within a positive framework and should offer reassuring counterbalances to any violence, threat, or scary scenes.
What does the PG age rating mean? PG-rated content is suitable for general viewing. A PG should generally not unsettle a child aged around 8, although parents and caregivers should be aware that some scenes may be unsuitable for more sensitive children. What does the 12A, 12 age rating mean? Cinema content classified 12A and video content classified 12 contain material that is not generally suitable for children aged under 12. 15. Violence may be strong but should not dwell on the infliction of pain or injury. The strongest gory images are unlikely to be acceptable. Restricted. It means the film may include strong language, intense violence, sexual content, or other mature themes. Viewers under 17, or 18 in some states, must be accompanied by a parent or legal guardian.